You are returning with your possessions from this service. God is restoring all that you may have lost before and after you met Christ. Whatever the thief has stolen from you shall be returned to you sevenfold. God will restore your color today. He will restore your beauty today. He will restore your spiritual life today. He will restore your access to the voice of God today. You are living here as a wonder to your world. Lift up your two hands and let God know you accept today as your day. You see today as your day of supernatural restoration,